Here I have Blaupunkt SF and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So at the very beginning, open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Then you have to go down and locate date and time. Simply open it, and now you can either use automatic date and time, and it can be either network provided or GPS provided, or you can switch off automatic settings, and now you can set the date and time manually by yourself. Then you can also switch off automatic time zone by tapping on this switcher, and now you can select the one that you would like to have. And also you can change the format of your clock, so you can either use 24-hour format clock by tapping on it, or you can switch it off to 12-hour format clock, to the standard one, by turning off this function. And that's basically all. This is how you can change date and time in your device. You can obviously go back to the default settings, simply tap on this switcher and here select automatic date and time. And now we are back in the automatic ones. So that's basically all. This is how you can do it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.